Hello, this is my new cat named, new kitty named T'Challa. T'Challa. He's black. There he is. He's so cute. He's literally so cute.
Come and play.
No. That's his favorite game.
Wait, do you want to get in the bag?
Okay.
Do you want to get in the bag, Chinchilla?
Oh. He's on Kimmy's bed. Okay.
Let's see if he wants to go in here. You ready? Chinchilla.
T'Challa.
Chinchilla. Chinchilla.
Chinchilla.
Get back.
He's getting in. Now flip it over.
Okay, you're in trouble.
Hi, T'Challa.
I don't think he likes the bag.
Hi, T'Challa.
You guys torture me. No, we're nice to you, but you keep running away from us. There's no escape, Chinchilla. You really can't go anywhere.
Hi.
You can't. I'm invisible. You can't see me. Freedom! I'm killing Olaf. Yeah, kill Olaf. Olaf doesn't deserve.
Are you like serious, dude?
He really likes.
Can't get killed. Why are you so hard to break? Okay, I'm
so
done.
confused.
I'm done. I'm done.
Hello. Chinchilla, you can't escape.
I want to escape.
But you can't.
I want to.
No.
I want to. Open up the door.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm going to find a way to escape. So, get away from me.
My elf.
Get away from
I got
me.
my elf.
Good.
Guys, it's February and I'm staying with Julian. Your hair shall thick, but
I'm exploring. I'm new. You guys should treat me white.
we are treating you white. Elf was not. He wants to go to the closet. Huh?
You want to go into the closet?
Get in the closet.
No.
Chinchilla.
T'Challa.
Come in with me.
Is there like anything? He's black.
Oh my God, where'd he go? He's blending in. He's like a ninja.
It's so black.
I'm a ninja. Not even the viewers can see him.
Yeah.
Guys, dislike.
No, just
It's
Don't-
It's opposite day.
it's opposite day today.
Dislike.
Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so we got him.
Tomorrow is.
Tomorrow is?
Yeah. Don't let him out. We have to keep him. He can't come in. Okay, let's
Everybody
wait.
be quiet. Here.
Come on, Chinchilla.
T'Challa.
Yeah.
T'Challa.
What?
T'Challa.
What?
T'Challa.
Thank gosh on Where's what?
T'Challa.
I found a cat! I found a... Imagine Chinchilla with this small. Got in on my cat.
We found out that he was a boy because
What's this? You don't want it. We're not going to tell you how we find out. Where's the cat?
his real. I call him Whiskers because he's so cute and he looks like a
Well, I
whisker.
call him Chinchilla because he's black or Black Panther.
T'Challa. T'Challa.
I'm Chinchilla, the black cat. Wait, don't black cats get bad luck? But he's so cute though. How is he going to give us bad luck? What?
Right.
Ow!
Look at
I
him.
think he wants to get in the box. Open it.
You want to get into the box? Where's he?
Pardon the bed. Yes. Okay, let's see if he gets in the box. I think he wants in the bag.
You want to be in the bag?
Come in. Chinchilla just hopped in the bag. Let me out. I got Chinchilla. Come in. Chinchilla's out.
T'Challa.
Mommy, Chinchilla just jumped in that black bag.
Yeah.
Where is Chinchilla?
Under the table right
You can't hide from us no more. You could, Chinchilla.
I'm sorry I couldn't catch it too soon.
No.
He looks so tiny. He is so tiny. Oh, he's so cute.
Magic.
He's drinking.
Magic 8 ball.
Hi, I'm back. I'm still filming.
Guys, I'm about to make a YouTube video.
Well, we can both do it.
So, you guys technically get to see behind the scenes. You guys are going to see behind the scenes on Jade's channel. So, yeah.
Yep.
On me. So, first, we're just going to start like this, guys. So, just watch carefully. And just don't talk or do anything. I'll be busted if you talk, okay? Pop it. Try to pop it. It's shark bite. And what? Why do you have that camera? Oh my gosh! Why do you have that camera in your dang hand? We have a new cat.
Why am I still filming?
Yeah, tell him he doesn't believe me. Tell him we have a new cat.
We have a new cat.
Okay, cool. But who are you?
I'm his friend.
No! So let me see this cat. I bet this cat's not even real.
Behind. Aren't you gonna do the behind the scenes?
Oh my gosh!
Do, 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 do.
God. Chinchilla? Is that his name, Chinchilla?
T'Challa. T'Challa.
Chinchilla?
T'Challa. T'Challa.
Chinchilla.
No, T'Challa. T'Challa.
Chinchilla.
Yes.
Ready?
Chala. T'Challa. 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 T'Challa.
He's not moving. Is he dead? Did you give me a dead cat? Did you give me a dead cat? Go check out Jade. Go search up Jade Conklin. I'm doing behind the scenes right now.
Do behind the scenes.
No. Don't.
Do you know what the behind the scenes
We're not
are?
gonna hurt you. You know what? Then I'll just leave. The cat hates me. The cat hates me.
Cat is fine. Let's go.
Maybe I would try Barrigator.
Ah!
Do you think you like Barrigator more than me? Yeah. Okay, fine. Good job. Get out. It's cat time. There's the cat. Nowhere. Hello. Are you scared, little friend? Hello, little friend. Are you scared, shark puppet? Trust me, he's a good Good instinct. She killed Mr. Freckles.
So,
So, guess that.
classy, bougie, sassy, mood, nasty.
Chinchilla hit me. Chinchilla hit me.
Well, that's the end of my video. See you later.